Hey guys, Liam from Blackpool Honda here. Just giving you a quick video walk around of this pre-registered Civic Sport. This car is a 1.5 petrol and of course is finished in our lunar silver colour. We've got these gloss black 17-inch alloys as well, just to top off the gloss black looks on this car. It does make the car stand out massively. With this being a pre-registered vehicle, it is in brilliant condition as well, might I add. Of course, with this being the Sport, it does have the tailgate pipes at the bottom, 2 pipes, rear parking sensors, and of course the reverse camera just there. We've also got plenty of room in the boot area. Of course, we've got your pull-over privacy shelf just there, like so, and of course a 12-volt power outlet just there. We've got 60-40 split folding rear seats, and of course moving round, once the boot's shut properly of course, showing you the rear alloy just here. Of course, in the rear we do have the cloth black seats like so. Of course, we have Isofix mounting points just there, and of course more cloth black bench just there. We've got electric and automatic rear windows. Of course, in the front we have the controls for all 4 of the windows, including your window lock, central locking, electric adjustment, and power fold for the wing mirrors. We've got your brake hold just there with electric handbrake, Econ stop start, and of course your 6-speed manual gearbox. We've got dual climate control, which can be operated via the touchscreen display just there. On the touchscreen display we have satellite navigation, Bluetooth hands-free, and of course all your sources for your media just here. All your audio and its sources are controlled via these buttons here. Onboard computer is controlled there, Bluetooth hands-free there, and voice assistant is just there. Your speed limiter with cruise control is here, and of course your automatic headlights and windscreen wipers are just there. With this vehicle being a pre-reg, it does only have 4 miles on the clock. Of course that may vary due to test driving, of course. We've got showing you the last remaining alloy here. Of course, with this being a brand new vehicle, it is compatible with the new E10 fuel that the government is rolling out up and down the country. But if you require any further information on these vehicles, don't hesitate to get in touch with the dealership, and one of our sales team will provide a personalised video. Thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.